Hi, my name is Chloe, and I have a sweet treat for you today. We are going to review what we have already learned, so let's get rolling.
The silent E makes the A say its name. A, like in the word tape.
The silent E makes the I say its name. I, like in the word bike.
The silent E makes the O say its name. O, like in the word bone.
The silent E makes the E say its name. E, like in the word Eve.
The silent E makes the U say its name. U, like in the word cube.
The silent E can also make the U say ooh, like in the word tune.
CE at the end of the word spells like in the word ice.
GE at the end of a word spells J, like in the word cage.
If you enjoyed this sweet review, make sure you like, subscribe, and share with your friends. We appreciate all your support. Thanks. Have a great day.